Yeah, here is 4MA1 2HR 4th June 2025 has Edexcel paper. So let's go for the first question. First question, factorize fully 18C minus 45CD. First we're going to find the HCF, highest common factor. We'll bring it out. So highest common factor 18 and 45 is 9. Then there is a C is common. So when you bring it 9C, so here 2 is left and here 5D is left. That's the answer here. So next part B. So we are going to solve this. Okay, so 5 minus 2x equal to, when I bring 6 to right side, is multiplication 3x minus 4. So expand 18x minus 24. Bring all x one side and numbers. So 5 this 24, I'll bring it left side, so going to be plus 24 and 18x plus 2x, which is going to be 29 equal to 20x. So 29 over 20 equal to x. That's the final answer here. Okay, so the next question, question 2. Write 1400 as a product of prime factors. Show your working clearly. So 1400 and 2, then 700, then 2, 350, then 2, 175, then 5, then 35, then 7, then 5 and 7. So here 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 cube times 5 square times 7. That's the answer. Next one, solve the simultaneous equations, show clear algebraic working. So here 3x plus 2y minus 2y equal to 10 and 16. 10 is equal to 16. So here what I'm going to do, first I'll write this 3x plus 2y equal to 10. And 3x minus 4y equal to 16. So I'm going to subtract because the first term is same, 3x and 3x. So when I subtract, that going to be removed. So when I subtract, this will be cancelled. So 2x, then subtraction time, the denominator one sign change will happen. So 2 plus 4 is 6, y equal to, so when I subtract here, 10 minus 16 is going to be negative 6. So y equal to negative 6 over 6, which is going to be negative 1. Okay, so the next, yeah, this value, just substitute in the equation, so we'll get x value. So the first equation, 3x, this is y value here, 3x plus 2 times negative 1 equal to 10. So 3x negative 2 equal to 10. So 3x negative 2 go right side, it will become positive 2, become 12. So x equal to 4. And this is the final answer, x equal to 4 and y equal to negative 1. Okay, so next one, Joshua is giving to cover a floor with the tiles for a customer. The area of the floor is 45. The area of the floor is 45 meters square. Joshua finds one box of tile of each 1.5 meter square of the floor area. Each box tiles is 64. So 1.5 for 1.5 meter square. Okay, so one box. So how many box required? So number of box tiles, total area, which is 45 over with one box is going to be 1.5. So the answer is total 30 boxes are required. So 30 box, so one box cost is 64. So 30 times 64 equal to the answer 1920. This amount is required for tiles. Joshua also by plus addition 5 bags of tile adhesive. Okay, so it is each bag is 12. So how many bags? 5 bags times 12, which is equal to 60. So okay, just for charges. Okay, this amount, the spending amount is like 1920 plus 60, which is going to be 1980. This is the amount he spent it. Now he's charging 3000 from the customer. I'll work out this percentage of profit. Profit is profit percentage. So first we need to find the profit. Profit is going to be 3000 minus 1980 over the spending amount, which is 1980 times 100. That's it. The answer is going to be 51.5. That's the answer. 51.5 percentage here is written already. Next one, question 5. Okay, on the grid above, reflect the shape shape A in the line y equal to x. Y equal to x is going to be so minus 2. This is the line for y equal to x. Okay, here just reflecting, so just check 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So the first point is going to be here, this one. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So second point is going to be here. Next, this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. Then the another one is here, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is going to be here. So 1 2 3, sorry, this is not here, this is going to be here. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, this point is going to be here. So then this is the reflection. Next one, here on the grid above, enlarge shape B by scale factor of 2 with the center 1 comma 1. So the 1 comma 1 is the center. So here first we go for the first 1 2 1. So first one, 2 right and 1 up. This is the first coordinate. Second coordinate, 1 2 3 4. 4 right and 1 up. 4 right and 1 up. Next, this one, 1 2 2 right and 3 up. 2 right and 3 up. Then next one, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 3 right and 3 up. So the scale factor is 2. So we multiply everything by 2, which is going to be 4 2 8 2, then 4 12 and sorry 4 6. 4 6 and 6 6 is going to be. So now from the same center, 4 comma 2, 1 2 3 4, 4 and 2, the point, one point will be here. Next, 8 comma 2, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 and 2. So the next point is here. Next, the third one, 2 comma 4 comma 6. So 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. And next one, 6 comma 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's here. So the shape is going to be here. This is the enlargement. Next question, write down the value of 5 power 0. Any number power 0, the answer is going to be 1. Same. The next one, 5 power 9 times 5 power negative 3. So the numerator become 5 power 9 plus minus 3 over 5 power minus 2 equal to 5 power k. Here next one, 5 power 9 minus 3 is going to be 6. When this negative 2 go up, it will become positive 2 equal to 5 power k. So 5 power 8 equal to 5 power k. So comparing both the side, 8 equal to k. So k equal to 8. Next one, 2 d power 4 e power 5 whole cube. Just expand first 2 cube. 2 cube is going to be 8. Next d power 4 whole power 3 is d power 12. And e power 5 whole cube is e power 15. That's the answer here. Next question 7. The mass of a silver coin is 48.3. The density of the silver is 10.5. So okay, what could the volume of the silver? So the formula density equal to mass over volume. So volume is going to be mass over density. So here volume equal to mass, which is 48.3 over 10.5. The answer is 4.6. And next, the mean of 7 number is 60. So the total uh, the sum is 60 times 7. So 60 times 7 is 420 for 7 numbers. Next, the mean of 3 numbers is 46. The sum is 3 numbers 46. So 46 times 3 equal to 138. So the remaining 4 numbers, right? The 4 number sum is going to be 420 minus 138, which is going to be 282. So now we need to find the mean of 4 numbers. So 282 by 4 equal to 70.5. That is the answer here. Next, in a sale, normal price are reduced by 15%. The sale price of the dishwasher is 612. Work out the normal price of the dishwasher. So a 15% normal price we need to find. I'll take say x times 15% is reduced. So 100 minus 15 is going to be 85. So 85% means 0.85 equal to the amount is 612. So x equal to 612 over 0.85, which is equal to 720. Next, question 10. A straight line L is parallel to the line equation y equal to 2 minus 5x. So this equation I can write the proper equation like y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c. So this one rearrange. So y equal to minus 5x plus 2. Okay, the line L is passes through the point 0, 6. Find an equation of the L. L is parallel to the line equation. Parallel is same gradient. So m is going to be negative 5. So the new equation, L equation equal to negative 5x plus c. Now passing through 0, 6, y equal to 6, x equal to 0. So just substitute here, y equal to 6, x equal to 0. When negative 5 0 plus c, so 6 equal to 0 plus c, so 6 equal to c. So we got 6. The 6 value, just replace it here. That's it, y equal to negative 5x plus 6. That is the answer here. Next, question 11. The diagram shows two triangles ADE and CDB. ABD is a straight line. AB equals to 28 centimeter and AD equal to 45 centimeter, AB equal to 21 centimeter, AD equal to 35 centimeter. Angle AED equal to angle CBD equal to 90 degree. Here is 90 and here is 90. Okay, work out the area of the triangle CDB, the small triangle areas. So if you need area, we need base and height. So we need to find BD and CB, both we need to find. For that, first we are taking the big triangle, AED. I'm taking triangle AED. When I take triangle AED, what will happen? Okay, so using Pythagoras, okay, AD equal to square root of 45 square plus 28 square. So the answer is 53. So the entire length is 53. So BD. So BD equal to AD minus AB. So AD is 53. 53 minus 21 equal to 32. So we got this length. BD length is, this is 32. Now we need to find the height. Again I'm going to Pythagoras, which is BC. BC equal to square root of, here where is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is CD, opposite of 90 degrees. So 35 square minus 32 square. 35 square minus 32 square, it's going to be square root of 201. So this value is going to be square root of 201. Now base and height. So area of CBD. So area of CBD triangle. Okay, so half into 32 times square root of 201. Half into 32 times square root of 201, which is equal to 226.8391. So here the question says correct three significant figures, so we need to round up by three numbers. So 227, that is the answer here. Next, Osman buys a car for 16,000. The car depreciated at a rate of 12% each year for first 2 years. Then the third year, the car depreciated at the rate of X percentage. At the end of the years, okay, end of 3 years, this is the amount, the value of the car, work out the value of X. Okay, first 16,000 times the first 2 years depreciate, so 100 minus 12, which is 88 percentage, which is 0.88 for 2 years. So square times the third year is going to be, so we'll depreciate, which is 1 minus, so 1 minus X percentage equal to 11461.12. Just we need to find out X, that's it. Okay, so here 1 minus X percentage equal to 11461.12 over, just bring it this 16,000 and 0.88 square. So minus, okay, so 1 minus X percentage equal to this, when you calculate you will get 0.925. okay, so I'll do this side. 1 minus X percentage equal to 0.925. So negative X percentage equal to 0.925 negative 1. So when I bring 1 here, the other side, negative X percentage equal to, I'll get negative 0.075. So X percent, both the side is negative, we can make it positive. We'll multiply negative both the sides. Okay, X percentage is over 100. So X over 100 equal to 0.075. X equal to, bring the 100 other sides, multiplication, so 7.5. So the answer is 7.5. Next one, factorize. So we'll do a square minus b square technique here. So I'll change 2x whole square and 5y whole square. It's look like a square minus b square, so we can write 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. That's it, that's the answer here. Next, to show that, okay, this one expand, we need to expand this one. So 4x into x plus 3, and here is 2x minus 5. So expand time, first 4x square plus 12x. Okay, so the 2x minus 5 here again. I'll multiply with 4x square with both the terms. 4 8 x cube minus 20x square plus 24x minus 60x. So simplify, 8x cube minus 20x square plus 24x equal to plus 4. this is square, sorry, 4x square minus 60x, that's the final answer. Yeah, 8x cube plus 4x square minus 60x. Next one, Sarah has two bags A and B. Bag A, there are only 5 red beads and 4 green beads. Bag B, there are only 7 red beads and 3 green beads. Okay, beads. Okay, Sarah takes a random from a bag, and then she takes random as a bag B. So she's taking 2 beads. Okay, from first bag 1 and second bag 1. First, we know there is 9 beads. From 9 beads, 5 is red. So red is going to be 5 over 9, and the rest 4 over 9 is green. The second bag, again total 7 plus 3, there are 10 beads. There is 7 is red, so 7 by 10 and 3 by 10. Same thing, 7 by 10 and 3 by 10. Next question, work out the probability that Sarah takes 2 red beads. 2 red beads, we have to go with red and red. So red and again red, which is 5 by 9 times 7 by 10. 5 by 9 times 7 by 10, which is 35 over 90, which is equal to 7 by 18. That's the answer here. And next, Sarah puts the bead back into their original bag. Sarah also has a box of beads. The box, there are only red beads and green beads. Okay, when a bag when a bead taken from the bag, from the box, the probability of green bead is 11 too. So the new box, this is box of beads. Okay, that the new one. The box, the green is going to be 2 by 11. So obviously here also red and green is there. So the red is going to be the rest, which is 9 by 11. Okay, so here in this question, Sarah takes a random from a bag, from a B, and from a box. She's taking 3. So work out the probability that Sarah takes more red beads than green beads. Okay, more red beads means, okay, so at least 2 should be there, because 3 beads taking 2 should be red at least. So the first probability of it can be all 3 are red. Next are the probability of a red, red, green. So at least 2 red should be there, because more reds are there. Or it's going to be red, green, red. Or it's going to be probability of green, red, red. This all the possibilities are there. So first one, probability of first 2 always from a bag, the last one from the on the box. Okay, the first one I'll take here, probability of red and red. Red and red is going to be 5 by 9 and 7 by 10. 5 by 9 and 7 by 10, and the third one from this box, which is 9 by 11. Plus next one R, again red. See, a red, 5 by 9, 7 by 10. 5 by 9, 5 by 9 times 7 by 10 times the green is from the box, which is 2 by 11. Then next one, probability of which is red is 5 by 9 times the green is going to be second one, 3 by 10. 3 by 10, and here is red is going to be 9 by 11. Plus the last one, green, from the one green and red. Green and red, 4 by 9 and 7 by 10. 4 by 9 and 7 by 10, and red is from here, red is 9 by 11. Just calculate, you will get the answer 315 over 990 plus 70 over 990 plus 135 over 990 plus 252 over 990, which is equal to 772 over 990, which is equal to 386 over 495. That's the answer. So yeah, 386 over 495. The next question, A, B, C are the points on a circular center O. Angle BAO is 36. Angle BAO equal to 36 and 21. Work out the size of angle ACO. ACO I'll take as a X. When I take this X, this also going to be X because isosceles triangle angles separated from the center. So OA and OC are the radius. This is X and X. This is going to be all three angles equal to 180. So 180 is 180 minus 2x. So we can write this is 180 minus 2x minus 2x. That is 180 minus 2x. Now the angle sum property, angle subtended on the center on the circumference is half. So which is going to be 180 minus 2x over 2. So the answer is going to be 90 minus x. This answer here 90 minus x. Now we are going for angle sum property. We'll take a big triangle now. Okay, so add up all equal to 180 degrees. So what I'm going to write 90 minus x plus 36 plus x plus x and plus 21 equal to 180 degree. So this negative x and positive x will be cancelled. So 90 plus 36 plus 21. So x plus what you will get. Okay, I'll bring it outside everything. 180 minus 90 plus 36 plus 21. The answer is going to be 33. X is 33. We need to find this angle, that is x. So we found that is 33. So therefore angle ACO. Angle ACO is 33 degree. Question 16. Show that 4 by 3 root 5 plus 7. We have to write rationalize the denominator. So 4 over 3 root 5 plus 7 times 3 root 5 minus 7 over 3 root 5 minus 7. So numerator is going to be 4 times 3 root 5 minus 7. The denominator is going to be 3 root 5 whole square. So 3 root 5 whole square minus 7 square. So it's going to be here 4 times 3 root 5 minus 7 over, so which is 9 times 5 minus 49. So next step, 4 into 3 root 5 minus 7 over 45 minus 49, which is going to be 4 into 3 root 5 minus 7 over negative 4. The 4 got cancelled. The one negative is there in the down, so it becomes, when I take it negative numerator, so it becomes 7 minus 3 root 5. But the answer is saying there is no number outside, only a minus b root. So 7 minus this, bring the 9 inside, it's become bring the 3 inside, the square root is become 9. 9 times 5 is 45. So the answer is 7 minus square root of 45. Next question, make k is a subject. So first I'll bring p times 7 minus 3k a square equal to 8k square plus 5. So expand 7p minus 3pk square equal to 8k square plus 5. I'll keep all k one side. So I'll bring the 5 here. 7p minus 5 equal to 8k square plus 3pk square. Okay, 7p minus 5 equal to 8 plus 3p into k square. Bring k square outside. So 7p minus 5 over 8 plus 3p equal to k square. So when you remove square on this side, so this side is going to be plus or minus square root of 7p minus 5 over 8 plus 3p equal to k. So this is the answer here, plus or minus 7p minus 5, 8 plus 3p. Next question, question number 18. So it's a vector question. OA and OB is given. So P is the position of here 1:3. Write down AB. AB is going to be AB equal to AO plus OB. AO equal to negative 4A plus 4B. So yeah, this is the answer, 4B minus 4A. Next, OP. OP. So this is the OP. OP vector equal to, so we can take OA vector plus AP vector. Okay, OA is going to be 4A plus AP. AP is the ratio is 1:3. So this is, when take total ratio is 4. So this is 1/4 of AB. That's it. So this is 1/4 of AB. AB is going to be done before, which is negative 4A plus 4B. So just expand this one, 4A. This negative 1/4, when you multiply inside, the both of 4's are gone. This is this. The answer is going to be 3A plus B. This is OP vector. So this is the final answer. The answer is here. Next question 19. The function f and g are such that, okay, so there is a function f of x and g of x is given. State the value x cannot be include the domain of g. So domain denominator cannot be 0. So in case if we take x plus 1 equal to 0, what is the x value? 2x equal to negative 1, x equal to negative 1/2. The negative 1/2 cannot come here. So that is the answer here. Next, find g of f of x. So g f and g. So g of f of x equal to x 3x minus 4 over 2 into 3x minus 4 plus 1. So which is 3x minus 4 over 2 times 3x, 6x minus 8 plus 1. So 3x minus 4 over 6x minus 7. That's it. 3x minus 4 and 6x minus 7 is the answer here. Next, question 20. The histogram gives some information about the weights in grams of some books. So the histogram is given 75 books. 75 books weight is less than 100. So less than 100 here to here. So 75 books. So frequency density equal to frequency over the width. So here frequency density is equal to 7. Yes, the frequency is 75 over 100, which is 0.75. So this is 0.75. That means this is 0.5. This is 0.25. This is going to be 1. This is 1.25. This is yeah, 25575 1.25 2 2.25. This is 2.5. 1, then 1.25, 1.5, 1.75. This is 2. This is 2.25. This is 2.5. It's not required more than that. Okay, so let's go find a book is chosen as a random. Find the estimate probability 400 to 600 grams. 400 to 600 grams. For that probability, we need number of books is total. So we calculate here. So this is 100 times 0.75, which is 75 here. This one 100 to 200, which is 100 times 2.25, which is 225 here. Next, this one 200 to 450, which is 200, 250 times 1, which is going to be 250. And this is only 50 times 2.5, it's going to be 125 here. And this is 200 times 0.25, which is going to be 50. So when we add also, we'll get total number of books is going to be 725. And here now we need to calculate only 400 to 600. 400 to 600. So here to here all the values we know. Only we need to calculate this part. Here this is 50 times 1. This is going to be 50. So 50 plus 125 plus here to here, which is going to be 100 times 0.25, which is going to be 25 here. So 50 plus 125 plus 25. That's a probability when you add up 150, so 200 over 725. So go for the smallest term, which is 8 over 29. The answer is 8 over 29. Next, solve the inequality. So here show your clear algebraic working. So 2x square. So first we need to solve. We'll take it equal to 2x square minus 7x minus 15 equal to 0. First we will take equal to 0. The final answer we'll put inequality. Here multiply time we have to get negative 30. Addition time we have to take negative 7, which is going to be 10 and 3. So negative 10 and 3. So 2x square negative 10x plus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. So bring 2x out. So x minus 5. So x minus 5. So here 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 and x minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3 by 2 and x equal to 5. So we got the solution. Now we go for the graph. Okay, the quadratic, because the first there is a positive quadratic, so you'll get u. So here is negative 3 by 2 and this coordinate is going to be 5. Now it's greater than 0, above the graph. Above the graph is going to be two different inequality. So x is less than minus 3 by 2 and x is greater than 5. So that's a solution here. Next question 22. The diagram shows a solid cuboid. Okay, the volume of the cuboid is V. Find the maximum value of A. So first we find the volume equal to 15 minus 4x times x times x. So the answer is going to be 15 minus 4x into x square. So 15x square minus 4x cube. This is the volume. So we need to find the maximum volume cube. Maximum. So when you differentiate, the gradient is going to be 0. So I'll do dv by dx equal to 0. The dv by dx is just differentiate here, which is 2 times 15, which is 30x minus 12x square. So it's equal to 0. So 30x minus 12x square. So here what is common? The common is 6x. I'll bring it out, so which is going to be 5x minus 2x. Yeah, so now we'll write whether, yeah, 6x equal to 0 or 5x minus 2, sorry, what happened? So I took a x out, so there is no more x. 2x equal to 0. So here x equal to 0 and here minus 2x equal to negative 5x equal to 5 by 2. Okay, so x equal to 2.5. Okay, so I'll take a subtraction. Fraction is bad. Okay, so I got two x values. Now I need to find which one is maximum, which one is minimum. So for that, I need to go for d square y by d square v by dx square. So d square v by dx square equal to this one. Again, one more time derivative time, what you will get 30 minus 24x. Okay, here just put the both x values. First x equal to 0. X equal to 0, when I put here 30 minus 30, sorry, 24 times 0, which is going to be 30 minus 0, which is going to be 30. So when it's positive, then it's the minimum value. This is not required for us. Next one, x equal to 5 by 2. When I substitute x equal to 5 by 2, 30 minus 24 into 5 by 2, which is going to be 34 minus 60, which is going to be negative 30. Negative means this is our maximum value, so this is our required x. This value just put in the given equation. What is the given equation? The given equation is going to be, the given volume is going to be here. Just substitute here volume equal to 15 into what is the x value? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 whole square minus 4 into 5 by 2 whole cube. So when you calculate, our answer is 15 into 25 over 4 minus 4 times 125 over 8. So 93.75 minus 62.5, the answer is going to be 31.25. So 31.25 is the correct answer here. Next question. The diagram shows a triangular prism ABCDEF with a horizontal rectangular base of ABCD. Okay, so M is the midpoint of line AC. The line AC, M is the midpoint. Here we'll take M. M is the midpoint. Okay, so AC 40 is given. AC full length is 40. This is 40. Okay, not this one. This entire length is 40. And CAE equal to 35. CAE. We'll connect here. And this line exactly here. This is going to be 35 degrees given. So this is 90 degree. All the ABF. This is 90 degree. Obviously, this also is going to be 90 degree. Okay, so this is 35 degree. Okay, what you have to find? Angle CME. CME. Oh, so we need to draw with the midpoint. Again, we need to draw a point here. So we need to find this angle. That's our question. Okay, so from this main one, the triangle CAE, so we can find out. So we know the adjacent and one angle. We need to find CE. So tan, I'll take tan 35 degree equal to CE. Opposite over adjacent is AC. So tan 35 equal to CE over AC. AC is going to be 40 here. So 40 times tan 35 degree equal to CE, which is equal to 28 equal to CE. So I got this height is going to be 28. This is 28, and this we know this M is the midpoint, so entire length is 40. So this is going to be 20 now. So we can use we need to find the angle. Again, adjacent and opposite is there, so triangle CME. So tan CME, angle CME equal to opposite is going to be CE over adjacent is going to be CM. Okay, tan angle CME equal to CE is 28 over 20. So angle CME equal to tan inverse of 28 over 20. So the answer is going to be 4623. But they say question says three significant figures, so the answer is going to be answer is going to be 54.5 because this is 4. 54.5 is the correct answer here. Next one, PQ is a straight line drawn on the square grid with a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on the each axis. P is the coordinate of this, Q is the coordinate of this. The length of PQ is 4 root 10. So find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. That's okay. So here the length formula is going to be PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is going to be x2 minus x1, 7 minus of minus, which is plus, square plus 3a minus a whole square, which is square root of 35 square, sorry, not 35, sorry, 7 plus 5. Which is 7 plus 5, which is 12 square plus this one 2a whole square. Here outside there is 4 root 10. Here PQ value is already given. So now this case I'll take square both the side. The left side is going to be 16 times 10 equal to 12 square plus 2a whole square. This is 160 equal to 144 plus 4a square. So 160 minus 144. So 160 minus 144 equal to 4a square. So next line, 160 minus 144 over 4 equal to a square. A equal to square root of 160 minus 144 over 4, which is equal to a. Here is a plus or minus. Minus we cannot take because length can't be negative, so it's only plus. So the answer is 2. So we got a equal to 2, so we can find both the coordinate. First coordinate is negative 5 comma 2 and second coordinate 7 comma 6. So now we are finding the midpoint because the new one is going to be perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to find midpoint, so x1 plus x2 by 2. So minus 5 plus 7 by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2. Which is going to be 2 by 2 and 8 by 2. So the answer, the coordinate is 1 comma 4 is the midpoint. Next I'm going to find the gradient. So gradient m, so change of y, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 over 7 plus 5, because 7 minus of minus 5, 7 plus 5. So here is 4 by 12, which is equal to 3. But we have perpendicular bisector, perpendicular line. The gradient is going to be negative reciprocal. So the new perpendicular bisectors, the gradient is going to be negative. Oh, sorry, this is a mistake here. It's going to be not 3. It is going to be 1 by 3. So negative reciprocal is going to be negative 3. So the new line equation, y equal to minus 3x plus C. Now is passing through perpendicular bisector, passing through the bisector, so that means a midpoint. So passing through 1 comma 4. Just substitute the 1 comma 4 here. 4 equal to negative 3 of 1 plus C. So 4 equal to negative 3 plus C. So negative 3 comes this side, 7 equal to C. So the required equation is, this is the equation, just to replace C is 7. So y equal to negative 3x plus 7. That's the answer. Next question 25. The graph of y equal to a sine x plus b plus c. So here is easy to find the a. A is the altitude, so we can write maximum minus minimum by 2. So the maximum is 4 and the minimum is negative 2. So 4 minus of minus 2 by 2, which is 4 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. A equal to 3. Next we go for last one, we'll go for C. C is, the formula is max plus minimum by 2. The maximum is 4 and plus negative 2 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So we got the answer, A answer and C answer. Now the B answer is B is going to be, so this is our principal axis, which is C is y intercept point. From here, this axis, so the sine graph maximum should be 90. This has to come here. It moved here to here. It's supposed to be come here because 90 is the maximum. So this is 45-degree left. So left always will write positive. So B is going to be 45-degree. Then question 26. The diagram shows a solid hemisphere H. The radius of the hemisphere is x and the volume is given, which is 6174 pi. From here we'll find the radius. So radius, how to find the radius? Volume of the hemisphere is half into 4 by 3 pi r. R is here x. 5x cube equal to 6174 pi. It's given already. So this is going to be 2. So 2 by 3 pi into x cube equal to 6174 pi. From here x cube equal to, this 3 goes up, so 6174 pi times 3 over 2 times pi got cancelled, so x equal to cube root of 6174 times 3 over 2, which is x equal to, we'll get 21. So we got the radius. This entire thing equal to 21. So next one, a bowl is made removing a solid from the center. Thickness of the bowl is 2. So work out the total surface area of the bowl in terms of pi. So here to here, the entire length is going to be 21. The here to here is 2. Then this is going to be, this until here is going to be 19. Okay, so our plan is here. First, we need to do the entire curved surface area minus this 19. So we'll get the rest. So what I'm going to do now, so we are going to add the middle one. So first one, outer surface area, which is pi r, yeah, the sphere total surface area is going to be 4 pi r square, but here only hemisphere, so which is, will divided by 2, which is 2 pi r square. So the entire, the big one outside the hemisphere surface area is going to be 2 pi into, the radius is 21 square, plus inside again there is a surface area because between center is the hole. Again we need to find that surface area, which is going to be 2 pi into their radius is going to be 19 square, then plus the top something is shaded. So shaded area, how to find that is 21 square minus 19 square. So that is the area, circle area, which is pi r square. Pi into 21 pi r square minus pi into that 19 we need to subtract. Yeah, so we'll get the top area. Okay, so when we calculate, we'll get 1684 pi in terms of pi. That is the final answer here, 168484 pi. That's it. That's a final, yeah, end of the sheet.